Hello everyone. We've been having a stinker recently, and I would like us to try to avoid having doing something like that again in today's stream. So yeah, we have two consecutive losses, consecutive, not trailing stop loss, consecutive. In fact, three, because I think the fifth trade for the month was a trailing stop loss. So three consecutive losses. Three Words can't describe how pissed off I am. Three consecutive losses. So we have to figure out a way to avoid that. Yeah. So let's reset this, train this, and actually try to clean up our charts. Let's try to clean up our charts. Mm, let's clean up our charts. Delete our alarms. And did I log this? Yes. So let's clean our objects. Mm-hmm. Delete. Let's see, ADGPY. Two, oh, yeah, delete. Um, and then DJPY. One, two, three, delete. Alerts are weak. Sorry, our threads are beginning to pile up on the objects. And then DJPY. Card JPY. Card JPY. Nothing. Oh. Hero JPY. Nothing. PP JPY. Nothing. And USD JPY. Okay. Also nothing. This one is already from a trade, so yeah. Time for us to check on trends. To look at the 10-day market. This is a bullish trend. Weirdly, we are keeping CHLJPY, ADJPY. Let's look at that one more time. Oh, it's bullish. This one is a cluster. SNJPY. Change the structure twice. It's trending up. EVJPY. It's trending up. GBJPY. Change the structure twice. Okay. ADJPY is trending up. I think we've done JPY. It was trending twice. It's changed the structure twice. I mean, change the structure cluster. Consolidation and cluster. Change the structure. Change the structure. Change the structure. Change the structure. Consolidation. Change the structure twice. Consolidation. Change your structure. This is bearish, but did you actually change structure? Kind of. Consolidation. Change your structure. Uh, consolidation. Consolidation. Change your structure. Wait, that was not vision. That was consolidation too. Let us change your structure. Energy review. Nothing. So I think the only ones there are still JPY doing it. This is interesting. Really interesting. So yeah. Um yeah. So here's the JPY. Let's check. This is clean trend. Here's the JPY. It's just that this is far from our entry. This is closer. This is so it's called JPY and CHF JPY in the same boot. Nah, this look like a treasure structure. Mm, and GPJPY. So it's I think it ended at CHF JPY. And so now we're looking for the top three out of this one. The US JPY is definitely not in the mixer. Euro JPY, CAD JPY, CHF JPY. Euro JPY, CAD JPY, and CHF JPY. Nah, these two is better. Euro JPY, CAD JPY. CAD JPY and Euro JPY. Because the trend is cleaner. Now let's look at these three on a higher time frame. We've seen our top three. Wow, this is showing a very clear change of structure on the 15 minutes. Euro JPY, change of structure, change of structure. The top three are showing change of structure on higher time frame. Let's stick to the ones that are showing that change of structure. You know why? Because it was the 5 minutes that told us that there was nothing going on. You get it? So literally the 5 minutes. So yeah, we're going to still use the top three. But in this scenario, the trend is not really. Should we back away from this trade? If that the 15 minutes would have continued the trend, would have been interested in it. Let's back away from this trade. Let's not make some unnecessary losses. Let's not. Let's. Oh goodness. Should we back away from it? What do you guys think? Should we back away from the trade? What do you guys think? Because definitely this trade on the 5 minutes is clean, right? And when we get to higher time frame, when we are looking for a trend, do we look for it on the 15 minutes or on the 5 minutes? That's the question. It's obviously on the 5 minutes. For now, let's expand it. Still looks clean. Let's see. Still looks clean. Everything we're doing right now is experimental. So, now that we are able to make those experiments, let's stick to it. So yeah, we'll put our heads in the mixer and try our luck with it. So, what we're looking for now is entry for all three of them. Let's draw horizontal line above all of them. Let's draw horizontal lines above all of them. Now that we have done that, let's go to the daily time frame to find what we're looking for. Well, this is interesting. This is really interesting. See peaks. We stick to this peak. Oh goodness. This peak is going to disturb us. Let's stick to that peak. Should we stick to this peak instead? Yeah, let's look at it and yeah, we're looking for peaks. So if we're going to be picking those trades, well, this is not one of those unrestricted trades. Because I'm not a fan of unrestricted trades again. Yes, it is, then it's well, we live, we learn. Now let's figure out how to flip it. Oh, okay, let's try and take another risk on unrestricted trade. Bless me. Oh, 1 hour. I'm trying to expand this and so can easily clip it to the top. So that was the entry. So Euro JPY. I think for now, Euro JPY is better than this. Let's go to CAD JPY. Uh, let's look for a peak. Okay, let's look for it on the weekly time frame. Okay, I think there's a peak somewhere here. Let's go back to daily and see if we can find that peak. Because I feel like since there's a peak, let's exploit that peak. Let's exploit it. Um, let's zoom in on this peak. Okay. Now let's see the entries expected in another peak. So that is the peak for entry. Let's let's look for it. Look at it on a different scale. You know what I'm saying? Like on a different scale. Let's see. Should we use this peak instead of that peak? That's the question. Let's put another line. Yes. So we'll look at the two peaks. I think one of the peaks has already been broken. Is that like a good thing or a bad thing? Yep, it has already been broken. Wait. One of the peaks, that peak we chose, it's already been broken and violated. So let's use, oh goodness, it's going to be a while. It's going to be a hassle. Wait, let's go back to daily. Are you sure this peak is not taller than other peaks? Is it not higher? Okay, I think this was adjusted. This was flipping adjusted. No wonder I chose the wrong line. Let's look at it again. Okay, those are the two peaks. Let's reset it. Reset and zoom in. All these things just are entry. At least now it needs to get there. So I think we'll use this peak instead of the other one. The peak is not strong enough, but it is what it is. Okay. Okay, we'll sound seeing a peak for KJPY, not too clean. I think USDJPY is better. Right? How far is each of them? And KJPY is where? Okay, I think KJPY will be at the top. So we'll be able to identify all of them. Reset, shrink. I think what's the doctor to put TB and stop loss. Okay. What in the world? 550 for TB and stop loss is 200. Okay. This is going to be a very short trade. Generally speaking, I feel like I should stay away from this trade. Based on my opinion. Um, draw a line. Oh goodness. Draw a line. Delete this. Oh my arms. Okay. First for card JPY. Euro JPY. Let's look at it. Long position as always. Oh, what's going on? 550, 200. Zimmy, or this one is even smaller. Yup, feels a whole lot smaller. Well, um, yeah. So draw a line, then draw the TP, delete this, then USDJPY. Hmm, that's the track. Okay, long position, deploy, 550, 200. Um, 1:3, I think. Oh goodness, SL. Is that an SL? I think so. Um, CP. Yeah. So we can eradicate this. So now, now time for me to like go through all of them to see if we can see. So 5 minutes. Let's go straight to the point for Kaji boy. 5 minutes. Stop loss acknowledgement. I like that acknowledgement. The peak is clean. That's for 5 minutes. Stop loss acknowledgement. A very nice peak. I acknowledge. For 15 minutes, nothing is showing up. 15, nothing. Yeah, I thought that's much. We usually drop 30, but let's know if because of 30 that we're usually losing most of our trades. So we're going to analyze 30 minutes or so. It's a very clean bullish uptrend though, if you ask me. Until you got to this consolidation. Yeah. Um I think the consolidation has been nullified because the thing is looking like more of a bullish trend as well. Oh my goodness. Why does it feel so long, bro? Oh, I think this is a clean change of structure. Finally. I think that's why we usually skip 30 minutes. It's wasting our time, bro. Oh goodness. Nothing. Nothing on 1 hour. Oh goodness, my bones. Okay. I think we can see something on 4 hour. We'll check it out now. Got to check it out. Okay. Stop loss acknowledged here. Entry acknowledged here. TP acknowledged here. Ah, yeah, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Oh, let's keep going. Okay, so daily time frame now. The last but not the least, the daily time frame. Yo, okay. Yes, I was saying something. A head, a left head, right shoulder. Clean one for that matter. On the daily time frame. On the bearish entry is going to be crazy. And this is okay. This is why I called it. This is beautiful. How many pips this is? How many days was this? Maybe this was the break or something around here was the entry. So let's just nullify this too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Maybe we use this two as a strong retracement. 18 days. A little above half of a month of holding this trade would have been profitable. A little above half of a month. That's crazy. But let's focus on the main issue here. The TP entry stop loss. Not beautiful TP here. Not sure I'm seeing any other thing. Now, TP here. That is all. TP here too. Um, Nothing else. Mm-hmm. One kind of party. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Stop loss. Stop loss. My TP, 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 TP. TP, 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 TP. Nothing and stop loss and entry. Stop loss. Stop loss. So shrink this. Yeah. So quadruple has been successfully analyzed. Yo, guess you feels like I ain't as if I'm not talking with any strength because I don't. I'm not. My whole body aches right now. So please, find justice is mercy. Just pardon my dull nature this morning. Please just pardon it. Sleeping, entry, um, SL. Yeah. Uh, oh goodness. Why am I struggling this much? Reset this state for goodness sake. Seriously trouble. Then just shrink it down a little. And we've gotten ourselves a cleaner. This is just possible by obviously. Yo, possible by yo, what am I doing, bro? Cost log is on possible. What the flip is going on? Yo, this can't be happening, bro. Possible by yeah, yeah. Um, oh, it's right on the line, so yeah. We're done with card JPY. So let's go to Euro JPY. Oh, oh yeah. Oh. Reset this, shrink this. My whole body is in shambles, bro. Let's check through 5 minutes time frame. Oh wow. Wait, is this the entry? Wait, we've put our entry, our stop loss and everything. Wait, yeah, we have. Damn it. Shrink it to the very minimum. So I think this was entry. This is what we acknowledge as entry, bro. Now let's keep going. 5 minutes, nothing. Let's go to 15 minutes. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Can we see something in 15 minutes, bro? 15 minutes. Nope, nothing. 30 minutes. Let's see if we can see something in 30 minutes. Yo, bro. Ain't nothing 30 minutes. Not even a spike, nothing. Just dead zone. Whoa. I ain't seen nothing. Yo, this trend is Yeah, damn, wow. Scrumptious trend. They look so voluminous, so appealing, so lovable. How can I see the end of 30 minutes? Yo, I want to see the end, bro. We've been walking for a while now. Oh, yeah, yeah. That was the spot. 1 hour time frame. That's it. Oh, goodness. What a nice trend. I'm having a chatnism because the chats are giving me mwah, so cute, so cute and trend. Wow. I think it's all the way down at 2025, March 2025. We're seeing some sort of consolidation. But apart from that, we're cool, bro. So let's go move on to the 4 hour time frame. Damn. What I was saying on the 4 hour time frame? I don't think I'm saying anything, bro. It's wait. This has to be the limitless trade, right? Euro JPY. Let's look at it. Yeah, this is it. So don't need to waste more time on it. So yeah, wish I realized that earlier. Now let's see. Is it limitless as well? So I think down at a peak close to the entry and a peak that broke through the GP. Those are the those are our analysis. So let's not waste too much time on it. You know what I'm saying? So oh shit. Yeah. So 5 minutes time from let's move it. Yo, now that entry was well acknowledged, bruv. Well acknowledged. Then this peak that broke through it, well, it didn't break through the TP, right? So this is something. This is definitely something. I'll zoom in on it. You know what I'm saying? Let's just zoom in on it. Let's see what we can see on Staples and entry. Let's see, bro. Yo, 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 yo. Clip this. Yeah, that's the spot. So, stop loss acknowledged, stop loss acknowledged, stop loss acknowledged, stop loss acknowledged, acknowledged here as well. One, two, excuse me, three, four, five, six, stop loss acknowledged, seven, eight, nine, so literally nine stop loss acknowledged, plus the ones we saw earlier. Then we got ourselves a deal saying, well, that's a beautiful stop loss acknowledgement. If you ask me, bro. Yeah, we're done with it. Let's go to move on to the 15 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Let's just move on to 15 minutes, bro. So this was all of that shenanigans right here. These was the shenanigans. So let's keep this boat moving. Well, yeah, the bullish trend was more like a ride to the upside. You know what I'm saying? So the 30 minutes, let's say, and we get ourselves out of the trap we set ourselves. I genuinely feel going through everything. I don't think there's something coming up. I doubt this. Wow, this is an interesting consolidation. Nah, oh, this is gonna stress me. I just know it. I just know it. Like my spidey senses are tingling. Well, this was close to the entry. I think we've gotten the second peak. Now let's go to the one I want to see our third peak. So this is the third peak. We're done. We ain't got nothing here to see anymore. Yeah, this was the peak that was very close to it. Yo, move, bro. Yo, move. Like, move. You ain't moving, bro. You wasting my time, bro. Ain't no way we're the same peak at the same entry. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's going on, bro? Well, let's go to the forward time frame. Yeah, these are the three of them. These are the three of them. I can smell it from a mile away. Yeah, my spider senses are tingling. I've got to zoom in on it, see what we're doing, dealing with. Then when that is done, we'll move on, bro. We'll move on. So, not another stop loss in entry or not whatnot. We've got something on the TP though. Take profit here, take profit here, take profit here, take profit here. And stop loss here as well, bro. Well acknowledged. Stop loss. Or entry anyway you wanna say. But stop loss here. Wait, wait, what? I thought there was something else. Yeah. TP here. Now we're done. Ain't nothing here. After these three, there is nothing here. That's based on popular demand, you know what I'm saying? You want to see? Okay, say it. Those are the three peaks, like I said. So go to the 1 week time frame, still those three peaks. So we're in the clear. We're in the clear. Ain't got nothing on use the JPY no more. So like we're down to the 5 minute time frame, right? Um I'm gonna set up wait, did we put up an a lot on Euro JPY? I don't think we did. And I actually feel like we actually didn't um we didn't put odds, we didn't put on numbering or lettering or whatever we want to call it, but we didn't do that. So let's put a little TP. I'll take profits down here. Our entry is down here. Stop loss, yeah, definitely down here, very important. We'll put all that, but let's just name everything. Let's know we're done with naming, you know what I'm saying? Let's know we're done with naming them. So, TP is over here, obviously. TP over here. Our entry is down here, right? And our stop loss is down here. What do you think? SL is over here. Splendid. Um, USDJPY done. EuroJPY hopefully done. Yep, done. And KJPY magnificently done. I think KJPY has the best breather so far. Like, there's enough space for someone to breathe. You know what I'm saying? Like, so now we're gonna head over to put up our lights and our entry. Obviously. Like, isn't it obvious? Gotta be obvious, you know what I'm saying? Yep. Putting a lot down there. Possible buy, obviously. Possible buy. Possible. Yo, boy. Yep. That's it right there. My beauty. I don't see the trade playing out in like the next few hours. I doubt the trade will play out now today though. But it ain't matter. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't matter. Who's gonna who's gonna take it like a champ? Yep, we're taking it like a champ. Let's put up all that down. Yeah. Yep. Damn. Oh, we moved it earlier. What's the matter? And then a lot isn't a lot. Possible buy with a possible. We gotta put it out here. You know what I'm saying? So possible buy as well. Now this is magnificent. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, it's magnificent. Yo, yo, yo. You gotta be in the entry. You gotta get in there. You gotta flip in there, bro. So obviously we set the markets and we're looking fly if you ask me. We're looking way fly. Unexpectedly fly. You know what I'm saying? Oh, magnificent. Magnificent. Your GPY and the US the GPY. I don't know how and what year, what time of the year our entry is gonna be gotten, but we don't what we're meant to do. So it was something I wanted to test out, but I was kind of too engrossed on this very trade. But I just quickly want to check something. Just a quick something. Okay, we still like 10% to look at it. Let's shrink this. Hopefully the streaming ended. We just want to open MT5 again. Yo, I just want to open it. Open MT5. Let's look at the bot we've been creating. That's where we are. Because there's something that came to my mind, but I want to test two theories, right? Two major theories. I know this is not okay. Let me know if I can be able to. I don't know if I can able to switch from this to MQL5 bot. What the flip does the bot title is the display capture, yeah? Bot challenge. Okay. Bot challenge. What's this MT5? Okay, this is the MT5 captures. Oh. Now, yeah, yeah. Yeah, this is it. Yo, no, this is not what I'm talking about. So, obviously, we're gonna swap from live trading to bot trading. Wait, what? Why didn't they swap cleanly? Yeah, we're not doing any major thing. We just wanna check some on the bot. Let's just check something very. So the most updated one was the 18, if I'm not mistaken. We're still working on 9M, right? So this is the most updated one. Euro USD, Usambia, and history up until date, so that we can be a little balanced. Um, yo, the network is acting up again. Really hope it's like a calm thing. Okay, it's back in. Later. So everything is work. What a flip. I don't think there's any scrolling, right? So, so these are the markings. These are the pair. What is this? I can't remember what this was meant for. Minimum touch is to validate S slash R. What is the S slash R? Wow. Okay, two touches. Okay, I remember. How many touches would be acknowledged as um as for example, when we get to a peak, how many peaks? Let's remove this from two to one, right? One touch. Then let's disable everything because I noticed that even when we are on the live markets, right? The one this thing that is well acknowledged is the daily. The daily peak and every other peak. Apart from that, nothing else is acknowledged. So yeah. But I thought I put up a button that allows me to change um between candle patterns for the whole thing. What is this for? Pattern pair selection per time frame. I thought there's only zero and one. One represents the one we are using, which is four all over. So let's just get straight to it. Let's look at it. I don't think it's that fast. Yo, wait, pause it. Hopefully. Wait, what time frame are we on? Wait, let me change this. Let's change this to 5 minutes. 5 minutes time frame. Wait, let's see if it actually works. Right? Let's not just point fingers willy nilly. Let's see if it actually works. Yo, we're trying to check something, test a theory. If we actually need from 4 hour time frame and below for us to okay, let's let's adjust this. This is not supposed to be the stream, it's not supposed to be a bot stream, but it is what it is. I want to test a theory now that we've done our analysis. Okay. I just want to confirm if old charts play out. I'm supposed to be on the 5 minute time frame. There's literally nothing. There's literally nothing. What in the world went? What in the world? Like, wait. This line, right, is supposed to show up in the previous history. That is how it's supposed to play out. But it's not playing out. Wait, I did the entire. Oh, okay, okay. I think I see where the problem is. I did the entire history. That's where the problem is. Let's adjust that. Let's adjust that to like this year. 2026, right? Yeah. To like this year. Let's see what happens now. Um, the thing is also show now. It didn't. Wait, what? This played out way too fast. The previous history is not showing anything. That's where my problem is. It's only showing this. Oh goodness. This needs to be worked on. But you get my point, right? I'm trying to know if I can get to the peak. Oh goodness. This is not the stream for it though. We're going to end the stream for now and come prepared for the bot analysis, for the bot trade and everything. So yeah, stay tuned as usual. Don't forget to subscribe. It means a lot to me. You guys might not know what it actually does. So yeah, stay tuned. Stay tuned, bro. Stay tuned. Tuned, tuned. Yo, we're gonna end it. We're gonna end it right here. Stay jiggy, stay. Wait, what? Wait, what? This was. This is. This is not the stream that I put up. It did not play. Oh, damn it. I'm supposed to have switched this. I thought I did. How did it go back? This was supposed to be showing MQ05 bot building, but it didn't. Well, we live a line, bro.